Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, it does not respond to your touches, you cannot do anything, then force restart should help because your device will simply cut all of the processes, will turn off everything and restart the system. So in order to soft reset or force restart your device, you have to tap on the power button, or basically press the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo, and your device will be restarted. So let me try to do it. Let me press my finger on the sensor, on the power button basically. And as you can see, of course, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because the screen does not work properly. We've got the black screen, which is good. I felt the vibration, we've got the developer's logo, which simply means that your device will be restarted in a second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.